Hello friends, welcome to the mysterious world. At the end of 2019 and the beginning of 2020, an invisible enemy knocked the world, who killed lakhs of people, spoiled many homes and ruined many businesses. The name of this enemy was novel coronavirus. An enemy who defeated all the knowledge and science and forced to kneel the technology of the 21st century. This virus itself is so bizarre and mysterious that to date, medical science is not able to understand this correctly. But during the last 7 months, humans made many claims, gained many theories, and good knowledge about this virus. And now, when we realized that we knew everything about it, recently, we came across a case connected to this virus who pushed all of our knowledge we gained to date to the edge. This case became a puzzle for medical science and till now, no one can answer it. So friends, let's go and know more about this mysterious corona case. This incident is from Ushuaia. Ushuaia is a resort town in Argentina, the southernmost tip of South America, nicknamed the end of the world. After this last point of the land, the only thing that exists is sea. Surrounded by sea, this small city is a hub of the fishing center, from where many ships leave daily for long journeys of fishing. One such ship was Akizan Maru, who left the port with 61 crew members for fishing. This journey was going to be about 45 days. But just after 35 days, the ship returned to the port because all the crew members suddenly started feeling sick and there was no other choice left than returning to the port. On returning, all crew members had gone through the medical checkup. And shockingly, 57 out of 61 crew members were detected as corona positive. This news spread rapidly in the province and the incident took the form of mystery. The news surprised everyone because before the departure of the ship, all crew members went through the corona testing and were found corona negative. Despite this, all crew members were quarantined in a hotel for 14 days, which was a part of the mandatory process before anyone goes for a sea journey. Goods loaded on the ship were fully tested. Stuff already available on the ship have gone through the disinfection process. People connected with this case told that during these 35 days of the journey, no new person entered the ship, nor the ship stopped to any other place, and neither the ship came into the contact of another ship. The closest ship passing by, Akizan Maru, was also at a distance of 4 kilometers. Out of 61 crew members, no one deboarded the ship even once. Nor did the sailors come into contact with any outside material after the voyage started. So how did these people come in contact with the virus? It has become a puzzle that doctors have to work very hard to solve it. Doctors are trying to solve this case with a different hypothesis, like there was a mistake in the corona testing at the beginning of the journey. Or maybe the report of any one person has not been correct. Still, as per the current valid information, WHO, World Health Organization, American Center of Disease and Prevention, and EUPHA, European Public Health Association, if someone comes to corona's contact, then the incubation period is from 2 to 14 days. And all the crew members of Akizan Maru were quarantined for 14 days before the journey. Then during the journey, there were no casualties for a few weeks. This proves that there was no mistake in the initial checkup because if there had been a mistake, the symptoms of corona would have already started appearing. Apart from this, it has also been predicted that the coronavirus may be on the goods loaded on the ship. But the proprietary agency of the ship and the crew members told that even before crew members got the corona test, the ship was disinfected. And post that, the luggage was loaded. Medical science says that the life of this virus varies as per the type of surface, and that too for a shorter duration. This means this virus cannot live for long on any surface. Hence, the assumption is not correct. So many possibilities are raised related to this case but end up going to a dead end. Investigation workers related to the incident have raised their hands. They had no answer as to how the crew got the virus. This is a trick that is not possible to solve with the information currently available. Currently, the ship is placed on the coast of Ushuaia and converted into an isolation center for all the infected crew members. And the coast is completely sealed. There are 2 members who have been admitted to the hospital due to poor condition. Not knowing the root cause of this incident exposes that to date our medical science doesn't know everything about this virus. On one hand, our scientists are claiming to have a vaccine for this virus very soon. But on the other hand, cases like Akizen Maru giving warning that maybe in a hurry to make medicine, we skipped going deep into this virus, which can lead us to a dangerous situation in the future. What is your opinion about this event? Can you find out the real reason for this incident? You can share your answer through comments. And if you liked today's video, then please share this as much as possible. See you soon with a new mystery. Till then, goodbye.